again. These are the only two ratchets you have on the truck.
I'm waiting for some promos to come through. That's why I'm really low on ratchets.
You have a flyer?
Yeah, I have a couple for you.
Still got the blue box, huh?
These two are there.
Shop and pack.
And do you have the broken part of this one?
I may.
So
Probably not, though.
So without the actual broken part, we can't do it under warranty because I have to turn this stuff in. So, but it's pretty inexpensive. I want to say, I'm gonna guess here probably like $15 or so to get that replaced. If that's something you want to do, I can do that. And then let me look up this handle here. And do you have the handle to this guy?
I didn't keep it, but now I know to keep it.
Yes. So everything, anything that's warranted, we need the old ones to turn in.
Okay.
So let me see what we got here.
I'll just buy a handle or what, $20 or something.
Yeah, I'll look. I've never sold or actually sold one of these ones before.
You have an idea on the Subaru caliper socket?
On price wise?
Yeah.
Oh no, I rarely sell that, so I'll punch it up for you. How much you get to me? I'll punch it up for you.
The extra deep 10 I bought from you last time has been more useful than I thought it would be.
Yes, a lot of guys say that.
It's like, it's meant for bumper covers, okay. Nah, it gets used for everything.
$53.25 for the Super Bowl.
Okay. Coming down this run, I'm thinking, man, I must knock stuff off the ceiling of this thing.
I strap it up pretty well.
Yeah. Any good promos this week?
On the dashboard, we've got some promos there. Yeah, it's like $19.04 for that handle. I gotta order it though.
Go and order me.
Yeah.
Go and
Order it?
Go and order me one. Yeah. Are you still on promo?
No.
That is the
like 54 or so.
Because there's some on promo in a previous flyer I should have.
If you see something on a previous, like a flyer, and you have no time, call me.
Okay.
And then if I got it, I'll set it aside at that promo price for you.
Alright. Wow, that is bright.
Yeah, it's a pencil, or not a pencil, but a pocket one.
Magnet on the back. No magnet on the bottom, though.
Yeah.
That was kind of cool. Demoable?
Should be.
USB-C? Yep.
So you almost finished at the CCC?
Well, we had a instructor leave, so they're trying to fill that position.
Okay. How much longer before you?
Well, see, the classes I have left are the ones that they don't hold every year or every semester, so it's like, you know.
So you gotta wait.
Yeah. These are like what?
20 bucks.
20 bucks. You don't have any of the big ones though,
No,
do you?
at the moment I do not right now.
I always ask for the stuff that's out of stock. I don't know why. File sets. Mastered field disconnect. So you still haven't ordered one of those all 10mm sets yet?
No, I have no use for it for my customers. Most of my customers already have, at least a couple of those ones there.
Yeah.
So unless someone really wanted one, I'll order it. But I usually won't stock it. Plus, most likely I can probably make one if someone wanted the whole set.
Right. Yeah, my alligator clamps for the test leads.
Oh, yes.
I knew I came down here for a reason. Yeah, those would be them.
Mm-hmm.
Just keep drawers from flying open going down the road.
That's right.
You don't have any of the small balls of nitro gold left?
No, I should be getting some in. I just gotta wait for it to come through. Some of the stuff I've been able to get in a timely fashion. Others, for whatever reason, it takes a while to get.
Mm-hmm. I'll find someone in my perspective who I can't move here with that. magnetic sockets. You wouldn't have a magnetic 10 semi-deep impact?
No, I don't. I don't know if they make
Magnetic semi-deep?
it is semi-deep. I mean, 3/8 or quarter?
Quarter. 10 mil. Here's a deep.
No such thing.
Okay.
So it's just
Deeply
shallow or deep.
So I'll be right here. What's a deep like? That one is there.
$38.25 plus that.
Yeah, I'll get that. It's gonna be a handy socket.
Super handy. I mean, super handy. It's got the lifetime warranty on it. The magnet's spring loaded, so as it, if you have a long stud, it pushes down on it.
Okay. It packs. What are these?
It goes onto your meter.
Oh, so you can test something in line.
Test really small computer components, even PC components too, because of the size of the connector. It's piggybacked, so.
Oh god, those things are tiny.
So you can go both ways, so that way it's in line for what you're testing, so you can actually see the signal as it's happening. Because most of the time you would have to disconnect the connector and then measure it on either side.
Yeah, I'll let you. There's something else I need, and I can't remember what it is now. Just the other day, I said, man, I need this tool. I should call Elson. I didn't text you. I should just text you, and then at least I would have had a chance of remembering what it was. Something I needed right then. There, I was like, man. What's the most interesting tool you've sold ever?
That's a hard one. Nothing's jumping out of my mind. I'm sure if you gave me more time, I can probably think of what the weirdest thing I've sold, but
that's up there. 10 point.
Oh yeah. It took me a while to find that guy because another customer of mine was asking for a 10-point socket. I told him there's no such thing. We don't make one. And he said it's mainly for the Mitsubishi, I think it was the Eclipse, the flywheel. Those are 10-point. So,
great.
It took me a while to find, but eventually he was right. We do make one.
Okay, another socket that we're gonna need one day. Oh, that's kind of cool there. Kitchen drawer tool set.
So that one is meant for the kitchen. It's all foamed out, so you can pull out the kitchen drawer and have your basic tools there.
That is kind of cool. I didn't even know they made such a thing.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus. No, I don't see too terribly much that's changed since I was on here last. What is that? How long have you guys had these?
Oh, they recently just came out, maybe about 3 months ago. So we make them in 3 different sizes. I'll have you guess what they're used for.
The only thing I could think of is impact drive, but I've never seen a 1/4" drive impact and impact.
So you're right on the impact version, and it's designed to go onto your impact gun.
Mm-hmm.
Once you put it on your impact gun, it now becomes an impact driver for your screwdriver. So like brake rotors,
Mm-hmm.
you can break them loose with your impact gun. So the concept behind that is once you know you're doing brakes, you take off the lug nuts, then you just
Use the same tool.
Yep, and then stick it right onto your impact gun. Now you can break loose that screw that's holding down that rotor. So we make them a 1/2" drive. These two are 1/2" drive. I'm sorry. This is 1/2" drive, and then these two are 3/8" drive. So the difference between these 3/8" drive is that one takes this bigger shank, the other one takes a 1/4" shank.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, this one's bigger, so it's stronger.
Right. Because I've seen the hub cleaners that go on the 1/2" impact.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the Blue Point hub cleaner?
Yeah, I got it right there.
Yeah.
It's in the back.
Yeah. Yeah, that one. That goes on the 1/2" impact. So really, that's the only tool you need now.
Yeah, to clean up the hub.
Yeah.
But if you wanted to break loose a door striker, trunk striker, since they're number 3 screw heads.
Yeah. That's what I needed. The number 3 Phillips 3/8" drive. That's what I needed. You said number 3 Phillips, and I'm like, I don't like
I don't know why I don't have it.
I'm just stubby.
It's posi drive. Let's see, 4 is this a posi drive? That's posi. I must have sold it for warranty. No, I must have sold it because I don't see it up here. But we do make a number 3 just like this head.
Yeah.
This is number 2, but instead of being number 3, about yay long.
Yeah.
I do not have it.
Go and order one of those,
Yes.
please. That's what it was. You sure you have some?
Computer says I got 2, but I don't know if it's reserved for somebody. But I'm just double checking in my other drawer here.
Get one of these in Flex Head. I might pick one of those up.
Which one?
If you got one of those in Flex.
Not with me. I can have to order it though.
If you got one. If it's on here.
No, I know for sure I don't have one on the truck.
Okay. I'm saying if you do at some
if I
point.
come across one.
Yeah.
Okay. No dice.
I'll just.
For giggles.
I looked and I didn't see anybody pull stuff out really.
Be here, but I doubt it.
These Torx bits and tamper resistant Torx Plus. Thank God I haven't come across any of those.
Yeah, I do not have.
You're kidding when you said you don't move many standard wrenches anymore.
No, I don't. I barely have any.
And you said number 3 folks, I'm like, ding. No. Those are all Torx. Yeah. Couple air hammers up there, the clue.
Start the engine. My battery's just a little low.
Yep, go ahead. And what? How much are these guys? Well, skin tools. I'll let you get it down. Oh.
It was stuck on there.
Yeah, I see how that one.
$24.35.
I'll take one.
Yeah, those are really, really handy.
holding tool. So you're gonna get one of the new power tool carts?
Power tool carts.
Yeah, it's just I think it's 4 or 5 drawers, flip top, power tool holder on either side.
I haven't heard of that one. Is it in one of the flyers or something? Or is it a new item?
It's a new item.
If it's a new item, I haven't heard of it yet. Usually new items start off in the East Coast and they work their way to the West. So I probably haven't heard of anything yet. But eventually I'll probably know about it, pretty soon.
These are like $20, right?
Oh yeah, those are like $10.
Fine. Get one of those because, we all drop things. We all drop things, but never on YouTube because we're all perfect on YouTube.
And what now on YouTube?
I said, we all drop things, that's why I need magnets.
Oh, yeah.
Except on YouTube, we're all perfect on YouTube. That's aluminum. Alrighty. Yep. Well, gonna toll that up and.
Okay, so we've got.
Yep. Alrighty. I'll see you guys when I hop off the truck. Alright, we're back. So, you saw I hopped on Elson's truck today. He's had a whole bunch of stuff on order, so that's why the truck was a little bit empty. You saw I try to warranty some stuff, but I didn't save all the pieces, so that's kind of on me. But yeah, anyway, Elson's cool, not his fault. So don't go saying, oh, it's a dealer's fault. It's not. It's my fault. So pick some stuff up. First thing I picked up is a 1/4" drive 6.10mm magnetic deep. So you can see the magnet. And it is on a spring, so if you have a stud, it'll just push out of the way. 1/4" drive power socket. You can see that it doesn't drop the socket versus a normal socket. You don't. You gotta hold or shove a piece of paper towel or some grease or something. Oh, that holds it for you. And if you have a stud and nut, well, still works. Pushes out of the way. So that's super cool. Part number on that MTT, oh, sorry, MGMMS10A. I'll try and put that right up here for you guys. So, pick that up. Picked up the, some heavy duty battery clips is what they call them. So it's just like a clamp with the banana plug on there. So, if I want to take my lead set here, once I need to go around a battery or something, I can do it versus the, these little clamps that will kind of go around the battery but not grab it really well. Part number on this is MTTL 550-4. You can see it's right there. Picked up the, what is this? What are they for this? A metal pry and fab tool. I think it's used for airplane skins, but just a super thin, super strong, like trim tool. I think I see it good for like lifting valve covers and all kinds of stuff. A lot of people like these, so I decided to pick one up. I've used someone else's and I really liked it, so it was time to get my own. Then I picked up, part number on the pry tool is PBFT10. It's a Blue Point item. Oh, that light's not going to cooperate. I picked up the just flexible magnet. It's probably about 2.5, maybe 2 foot, 18 inches maybe long. It's flexible. You can bend it in any way you need. Lifetime warranty. And it was like Elson said it was $10. It turned out to be $8.40. So really something you should pick up. Part number for that is SET900WF. So it's cool. You can reach and pick up a bolt you drop. Because we all drop bolts despite being perfect on YouTube. The other thing that I came home from the truck and found this. It arrived today. So this is a inch-pound Elson Tools torque wrench. I'll do a full video on this. But, yep. So basically there's the specs. 30 to 150 inch-pound, 64 tooth, and plus minus 3%. So that's not what this video is about though, but it's worth noting. So that's my little tool haul, first tool haul of the month. So I am ordering me a bit socket. Oopsie. For my snappy impact driver set here. You can see I'm missing the number 3 Phillips. So he got that ordered for me. But yeah, so that's it for this video. It's probably going to be about a half-hour video. So links to tools, Elson, bolster, I'm blanking here. Also bolster, tool organizer, lots of cool ones tagged down, linked down in the description. If you want to pick up this torque wrench, there's a 10% off discount code. So, yep. that's it for this one. Yeah, that's it. So I will see you guys in the next video.